play how to improvise on level 3 using pentatonic scales. So basically on this level, what we are doing is what we did in level 2, we just move it from one octave to the next octave, right? So basically two things. First of all, I got up just now to go check my food, and the fire, it was burning, so I had to go check it. And secondly, my phone is faulty, it fell down, so the video is no longer clear, it's blurry. I have to change the phone. If you're watching this and you have the inspiration to get me a new phone, I would really appreciate it. It will improve the quality of my video. So let's get back to work. So what we did for level 2, we just transfer it to another octave. So basically in level 2 we played randomly on the first 4 notes of the pentatonic scale, which is, then you go to what I did was simple. Everything I did on this do chord, this octave, the second time around I took it here. It's a repetition just on different octaves. Take it from here, take it from here, take it from here. It looks very mathematical, right? You're just moving from one octave. But close your eyes and listen to what I'm playing. It sounds perfect when you jump from one octave to the other. Or you can as well record yourself playing this exact exercise and listen. Focus on just the sweetness of what you're doing. You'll see the beauty of jumping from one octave to the other. You can also jump gradually backwards. And basically, that's that for level 3. Please subscribe, because I think this is the most important aspect of any pianist's life, learning how to improvise. It affects everything, the way you play songs, the way you groove, everything. So this is important. Subscribe, share with friends, let everybody know what's happening here. Thanks for your time.